Welcome back, guys. Okay, we don't got the weird geek with us today. Maybe in another day's vlogs. But today I'll do a Nerf Arsenal video. And I still don't know about this camera view. And everybody asked why I can't switch the camera. Cause I'm on an iPad right now. My GoPro I had broke, so I can't switch the camera. So sorry about that one. But I'm trying to get a GoPro for me. You know what? Screw that idea. Okay. Nerf Arsenal. First. Personal. For Retaliator. I sold the front nozzle for this. So, sorry about that one. But otherwise, it's all stock. What I think about this gun is I don't like how it's like. I think it would need to be like battery pack. Just like. Because it looks like an AK. Well, it kind of looks like a rifle. An assault rifle. Next on the list. The Raven. Now this thing, I really will put a scope on here, but I have that in storage, and I'll put, if I don't have the Retaliator, most of the time I will, I'll put this on it. I'll have it to work on mission points. Next up, my first ever Nerf gun. Next, I have Rebel too. So, sorry about my sickness. I'm just a little stuffed up today. Nerf Rebel cross bolt. A lot of people like to hear it like this. It just feels awkward for my arm. I like to have it. And next up, a spring sling fire. I like this gun because whenever like you get a final kill cam, you can just go like this. Well, Kurt. There. You gotta go like this. Oh, I can do that better. There. That's what I like about that gun. The Nerf Demolisher. The one thing I don't like about this gun, I mean, it's a really good gun, but it blows through bullets way too fast. For a 12 round, I think it would need a drum. 25 round up. And that's what I think about that. Next, the Flip Fury. I love this gun because and then it's just pretty cool. I have one of these. I had 4, and I took out this thing, and I took out this, so now it shoots missiles. I got pump. Next, my favorite shotgun is Fire. That was a favorite. And also, there's this Fire. The rate of fire is not the greatest. So, that was my favorite gun. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed that Nerf arsenal. There'll be a part 2 for that. Now, see you next time.